All right, so this is in lieu of the lecture for the set queries. And so what I thought I'd do is just kind of give two little videos. This one is going to be pretty theoretical. Then I'll actually show you guys how you can use this. So what I did here is I created myself a quick script, and you can just take a moment to digest what this is going to do. It's going to drop the table. If it exists, it's going to create a very simple table called tab 1, which has got a column in it. It's then going to put into that column, into that table, the numbers 1, 2, and 3. Then it's going to drop table 2 and do the same exercise, except in this case, it's going to go 3, 4, and 5. All right, I've run this a few times now, but let's just run that and get the enjoyment. There it is. All right, so it's running. This script, by the way, will be in the content section, but of course, it's easy enough to type it. You could just pause the video and type it. So now if you want to have a look and see, well, what's actually in tab 1, we can see right there, tab 1, it's got 1, 2, and 3 in it. All right. And then if I say what's in tab 2, oh, sorry, excuse me, the cat jumping on my lap distracted me. I'm going to pin this. This is tab 1. Notice I'm using here a literal to kind of indicate what it is. And then this is tab 2. All right, so there's tab 2. So table 1, 1, 2, 3, table 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so now I want you to imagine those are two tables now. One that's got 1, 2, 3, and the other one's got 3, 4, 5. So when you look at this query here sitting on line 22, we've got select call 1 from tab 1. So let's again just run that select statement on its own. Actually, yeah, I think that ran it on its own. So there it is, select call 1. You can see there's that table. And then here's this query, select call 1 from tab 2. There's 2, 4, 5. What the union does is it takes the results of those two queries and combines them. And so you can see right here, actually, by the way, let me pin this result before I do anything. All right, so there's tab 1, there's tab 2, let's pin U. And so now let's run this little dude here. And so this is taking this result and combining it with this result to produce this result, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pretty cool. Now, one thing I hope that you may not be catching, well, I don't hope that you're not catching it, I hope you are catching it, is that 1, 2, 3 was sitting in the first table, 3, 4, 5 was sitting in the second table. Apparently what union does is it takes the sets, combines them, and also removes duplicates. So this will be a unique set that comes out of there. Now, if you don't want that unique set, union all will give you basically 1, 2, 3, and then 3, 4, 5. And we can see that if we just go. So there it is. There's our first table. Here's our second table. All right. So union and union all. All right. There's also other operators. The two other ones are intersect and minus. And remember, all this is ANSI standard. You can look them up as well. But here's intersect. What's intersect going to do? Intersect is going to give us what is common in each table. And so what is common in each table, if you take, if you look over here, 1, 2, 3, and you go over here, 3, 4, 5, what's common is 3. So we can go ahead and run this thing and see if I'm right. There it is. That is what's common in that set. And then over here, minus is an operator, set operator, that what it'll do is it'll take this set and minus from it whatever's in this set. So if we got this set is 1, 2, 3, and we're going to minus from it 3, 4, 5, what it's going to do is it's going to pull off anything in this set that would be in the other set. So it's going to basically pull off 3. So if we have a look and we go 1, 2, the 3 is taken off because 3 happened to be in that set. All right, so that's kind of how these things work. What I'm going to do in the next video is sort of give you guys a reasonable example, and then that example combined with the example in the book, you should be good to go.